Hey, time to question your thoughts. First becoming aware of them and then questioning. So if you have the thought, I'm not going to get the job because I stutter, or they'll think there's something wrong with me if I stutter, I want you to start to question, is it true? So there's 4 questions. One is it true? And you only can answer yes or no. That's it. If you say yes, then move on to second question. Can you absolutely know that it's true? The process here is deeply thinking about this, and that's what begins to change beliefs and thought patterns. So ask yourself, can I absolutely know that it's true? And then you can write this down or talk it out. The third one you want to ask is, how do you react when you believe that thought? How do you feel? What do you do? What happens when you believe the thought, I won't get the job because I stutter, or they think there's something wrong with me when I stutter? And then write that out and talk it out until you're at the end and there's nothing left. And then the fourth one is, who would I be? Who would I be without that thought? If that thought never existed, if it did not exist in my mind, who would I be? Who would I be? What would I be doing? What would my life be like? Who would I be if that thought just did not exist? And write that out big time. Just whatever comes to your mind. And then take the original thought, like, I'm not going to get the job, or I might not get the job, or I won't get the job because I stutter, or they think I'm weird because I stutter. Whatever the thought is, doesn't matter, the belief, then turn it around. So you're going to come up with an opposite and try on a couple different options. Maybe it's like, I'm gonna get the job because I stutter, or it could be anything. So just try on some different ideas and see if you have one that is equal to, or you believe more than, the original thought. So that's the process. It's actually called The Work, and it's from Byron Katie. And it's a beautiful way of saying, look, I'm going to question the thoughts that I have. We get programmed and brainwashed, and we end up believing and having beliefs and thoughts that we've never questioned. Is this even true? And like a computer, our software gets programmed in, and we just run our lives according to these beliefs and thoughts. But you can question them, and you can reprogram your mind and decide to believe differently, pick up new evidence, and those different beliefs and thoughts will literally change your life